Hello everyone, I'm Alejandro with Total Mortgage, and in this video we're going to talk about how improving your credit improves your home ownership opportunities. And with me is Jason London from Prime Marketing Consulting. Jason, thank you for being here.
Thank you, Alejandro. Thank you for having me.
It doesn't matter what your background is, where you come from, how much money you make, or what your level of education is. Credit issues can affect anyone. That's why it's important to understand how credit scoring system works, how you can improve your credit. That's how you can get into a home.
That's right, Alejandro. About 40 million people have a credit score under 600, and every 1 in 5 have a mistake on their credit report, costing them lost opportunities.
So Jason, how is it that your team helps individuals who want to buy a home?
Well, first we help educate the consumers by removing negative items off of their credit, helping raise their credit score using legal strategies that are available to them.
Now Jason, isn't this something that they can do on their own?
Absolutely. But every situation is different. And by working with us, you get our credit expertise. And we know the consumer protection laws, and we can create a plan that works best for you. It's not one size fits all.
So there you have it. Working with a professional credit repair specialist is going to save you time and money. Jason, how can they get a hold of you?
They can reach me at 401-274-1604.
And I can be reached at 401-808-4427. Again, I'm Alejandro with Total Mortgage. Thank you.